more.
Have a plate too. Even Santa realizes that maybe he's Rudolph.
Good, honey, put it on.
As soon as this storm lets up, I'll find homes for all
Oops.
those misfit toys. All right, you can open up a dentist office.
Good job, buddy.
When do the snowman? That's yours. It has your name on it.
I better set up an appointment for you week from Tuesday, 4:30 sharp.
I'm sorry, too, Rudolph, for the way I acted.
Oops. Yeah, put it on the tree. Put it on the branch, buddy.
Here's the man.
There you go.
More please.
Almost, Addison. Yep, put it through the loop. You did it. Good job.
Here, Mason. This one's yours. It's Addison's, honey. Let me get you a different one.
Here, watch. Look.
Not a basketball. An ornament. Please put it on. It is so pretty, Addison.
Look.
That's a reindeer.
That's a reindeer, buddy.
You try it, honey.
Good, honey. You can do it. Put the loop. There you go.
You did it.
Good job, honey. You see how that's how you do it.
You try it, sweetie. You can do it.
Yeah, put it on. Okay, hold on. Mom will get you more.
Hold on.
Oh, almost.
Try again. Okay, hold on. Try some more.
Yep, go ahead. Put it on, Mason. Go ahead.
Ooh, there's a birdie.
Oops. Put it on. Yeah.
Hold it up. Let Mommy take your picture.
All right, don't break it.
Oh, careful, Mason. See, I would not have given you that one.
Yeah, we'll put that one up top.
Watch. You want to see what it does? Watch. Come here. Come here. I'll show you. Watch. Come here. Watch. Don't pull it. Just look. Come here, Mason. Look.
Yeah, it's Spider-Man.
Don't pull it. Look. Isn't it pretty? No. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, very nice.